Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Smooth Love Portion, currently trading for $0.0033. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Smooth Love Portion is down really bad in the bear market, losing more than 99% of its value in the process. What's our pathway to a new all-time high for Smooth Love Portion? Not just Smooth Love Portion down in the bear market, a lot of altcoins are down really bad in the crypto bear market. Can we see Smooth Love Portion pumping to new all-time highs in the future? Where are we going to face significant resistance when we're pumping to higher valuations in the future? We'll be looking at Smooth Love Portion's performance against Bitcoin, Smooth Love Portion's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at the Smooth Love Portion's market cap chart. Very interesting chart. The all-time high for Smooth Love Portion's market cap is around $314 million. But right now, the market cap is around $142 million. How high can the market cap go by the next bull run? How low can it go in this bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. If you want to stay up to date with the latest crypto news and happenings around the world, don't forget to follow Mr. Legend Crypto on all social media platforms at Mr. Legend Crypto. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are really down in the year 2022. This is what happens in the bear market. All coins lose so much value. Even the king of the market, Bitcoin, is down 6.3% in the last 1 year. We have all coins that are down 80%, 70%, 85%. In the case of Filecoin is down 91%. Guys, SLP is down more than 95% in the last 1 year. We have been seeing some signs of life in the crypto market. If you go on the weekly and the monthly time frame, we're seeing all coins pumping, even though SLP is just up 3.2% in the last 1 week. What's our pathway to a new all-time high? At some point in time in the future, we expect SLP to set new all-time highs. When we start pumping to those higher prices, where are we going to face significant resistance on our way to the top? First level you want to pay close attention to for SLP in this bear market will be the lowest we have seen SLP trade, around the $0.0033 level. If that proves to be the bear market bottom for SLP, guys, we'll be pumping to higher prices. Our first key resistance level will be the $0.0057 level. SLP got rejected there in August 2022. There's a very high chance we might also get rejected there if we try again to pump to higher prices. Right now, this might be our accumulation range in the bear market, from as high as $0.0057 to as low as $0.0033. If we can get above this accumulation range and we'll start pumping to higher prices, then we'll start looking for what SLP will do when we get to the $0.0094 level. SLP caught a bounce off that level after it was launched and started dumping to Goblin Town. So SLP was launched in 2020 July, and we saw SLP drop really low to Goblin Town after it was launched, losing more than 95% of its value in the process before SLP went on one gigantic bull run that took it up more than 3,800%. What SLP will do around that $0.0098 level is going to be very critical in the future, because you can see as we're dumping to Goblin Town, we caught a bounce off that level in February that took SLP up more than 100%. That pump went up more than 356% in just 9 days. So SLP can pump really well to the upside, but the flip side to that is that SLP can really dump to Goblin Town when it's ready to dump. We saw SLP dump from as high as $0.04 in February 2022. We saw SLP dump from as high as $0.04 in February 2022 to as low as $0.0031, more than a 92% dump in just 132 days. If SLP can get above the $0.0094 level, our next level will be an important level for SLP. That will be the $0.029 level. If SLP can close a candle above this level, guys, the bull run is back for SLP. But for SLP to even get to that level from where we're currently trading right now, SLP will have to go up more than 800%. It means $1,000 invested in SLP should return more than $8,000 when we get to the $0.03 level. If you are buying SLP right now and we get to this level, this should scare you a lot. This is a very, very important level for SLP. Take a look at what SLP has been doing at that level in the past. SLP caught a bounce off this level in April 2021 that took it up to new all-time highs. As we're dumping to Goblin Town, SLP funds some small support there. We couldn't hold that level. We dropped to $0.0094 level, but SLP had a rally that got it to as high as 0.029. What happened? We got rejected off this level. This is why it is a very, very critical level for SLP. If SLP can get above this level, guys, in the future, we will be singing Kumbaya, because that means SLP is ready for higher prices in the bull market. If SLP gets above the $0.0299 level, the next level we should pay close attention to will be where SLP was finding significant resistance in November 2021 around the $0.085 level. From where we're currently trading right now, for SLP to get that high, we have to see SLP return more than 2,400%, which is very, very possible. But for you to get all those gains, you have to be willing to invest in the depth of the bear market. Now, for SLP to continue pumping to higher prices, probably into new all-time highs, another level you should pay attention to is where SLP was launched. SLP was launched around the $0.19 level in July 2020, and we've just seen SLP trade throughout its price history for less than 20% above that price level. So that's another critical level we should pay attention to, because if SLP can pass this critical level, then we'll be facing the previous all-time high when we saw SLP trading around $0.4. Pretty outrageous to think that SLP was trading that high during the bull run. For SLP to get there right now from where we're trading, SLP will have to go up over 12,000%. It means $1,000 invested in SLP right now should return over $120,000 if you can get to that all-time high. Very, very outrageous, but guys, that's also very, very possible. Crazier things have happened in crypto. If SLP can pass above the $0.40 level, it's clear skies. We're pumping to new all-time highs. We might see SLP even get into that magical $1 region. But let's take a look at some details about SLP. Right now, SLP is deep in the crypto bear market, down more than 95.9% in the process. In the last 1 year, SLP has gone as high as $0.13 to as low as $0.003. With a market cap of $412 million, we have over 42 billion SLPs in circulation. Currently ranked 166 on CoinMarketCap, over 283,000 people have SLP on their watch list. Why should you be buying some SLP right now if you believe in the project? Smooth Love Portion tokens are earned by playing the Axie Infinity game. The digital assets serve as a replacement for experience points. Should we be buying some SLP right now in the bear market? Where should we get some SLP? SLP can be gotten on FTX, on Qcoin, on Binance, on Gemini, on Bitstamp, on Polynex, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at SLP's performance against Bitcoin, it's really down bad in the bear market. After SLP was launched, we saw it lose so much value against Bitcoin, dropping 98.56%, but SLP gathered itself, rallied. Even though we couldn't set new all-time highs, SLP rallied more than 3,300% against Bitcoin. But right now, it has given back all those gains back to the market, and we are seeing SLP drop to new all-time lows, losing 98.83% of its value in the process. Guys, for SLP to pump to new all-time highs against Bitcoin, we have a lot of work to do. For SLP to just get to where it was against Bitcoin in July 2021, we have to see SLP go up more than 5,600%. It means one Bitcoin invested in SLP right now should return over 56 Bitcoin if we can get back to the levels where we were in July 2021. If you take a look at SLP's performance against Ethereum, during the bull run, SLP outperformed Ethereum by more than 1,700%, but the bear market has been brutal to SLP. It has lost so much value against Ethereum, dropping more than 99% in the process. Can we set new all-time highs for SLP against Ethereum? Guys, there's always a possibility of that happening, but for us to get to the level where we were on the 12th of July 2021, SLP will have to outperform Ethereum by more than 8,000%. It means one Ethereum invested in SLP right now should return more than 80 Ethereums if we can get back to the July 12, 2021 levels. Now to SLP's very, very interesting chart, the SLP market cap chart. Very, very interesting because we have seen SLP's price chart dump really low throughout the bear market. We saw SLP's price drop from as high as $0.40 level in the top of the bull run to as low as $0.0033 level in the bear market. But SLP's market cap didn't drop that low. The market cap got to as high as $310 million. That was in September 2021. In the bear market, bottom of SLP's market cap dropped to around $16 million. This was in 18th of June 2022. But something strange happened since then. The market cap of SLP shot to the moon, going up more than 1,200% in the process. But if you take a look at what the price chart did, the price did not have significant increase in value. So what happened that SLP's market cap jumped that low is because we had more SLP coming into circulation. The supply of SLP was increased. When I started making videos about SLP, guys, that was some 9 months ago. SLP just had a circulating supply of just 4 billion tokens. Right now, SLP has a circulating supply of over 42 billion tokens. This is why you want to be careful with altcoins in the bear market. Most times you can just get new altcoins coming to circulation without any warning. For SLP holders out there, how high can SLP's market cap go by the end of the next bull run? Guys, I believe at some point in time, we'll see SLP's market cap take out this all-time high we set around $311 million. I can just use the Fibonacci retracement tool to tell us how high we might see SLP's market cap go before we start facing some significant resistance. We might see SLP's market cap getting above $1 billion. If we get there, we might not see the price getting that high the way we expect. Only time will tell how this will play out. But right now in the bear market, this is a good time to be accumulating altcoins because millionaires are minted in the bear market. If you want to be shouting kumbaya, you have to be willing to take the risks when these altcoins are down in Goblin Town. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now in the bear market, as altcoins are down, are you buying more SLP? Do you believe SLP can ever break into new all-time highs, taking out the $0.40 level? Or do you believe we are going down to Goblin Town? Do you believe the bear market is over, or are you expecting lower prices for all these altcoins? Are you accumulating, or are you waiting for lower prices? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1, 2, 3.